Hi friends, it's Susie. Welcome to my Fluid Art channel. I'm going to attempt a swipe today, leaving some negative space. And this is the canvas. It's a 10 by 20 inch. I already covered it with a base, which is a dark bluish color that I have mixed up. I'm going to put a little bit of a puddle too so that it can swipe in the puddle. All right, and I've got gold. These are TLP pigments that I'm using. I've got gold and I've got this Azure blue, which is really pretty. So I'm gonna put those down. I also have this beautiful green, but I don't know if I need it or not. Let's see, I'll maybe put a little bit. Let's see. Okay, now. There's one. I think I should swipe it a little bit more. It looks like a dolphin or a whale or something. I don't know. I think I'm going to leave it like it is and work with it. Let's see. That's so cool. All right. All right, I am going to try spinning it and see what happens. And it's getting bigger by spinning it. Okay. It's really pretty. It definitely looks like a fish of some sort, but it's like a human nose and a human mouth. Well, a big chin though. It's really cool looking. All right, let's try to tilt it a little bit. Oh no, it's not going to work too well. Okay. Not liking this. Let's see, I'm gonna try to get some of this to go out more. What do you think? Does that look like anything? I think it's pretty cool. I like it. I think that this is like some kind of a sea creature, and it's swimming in the ocean. And it has its mouth open, and it has a long tail. So I'm going to leave it just like it is.